Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. So today we're gonna see about Unity's material creation and Android compilation. Uh, in my last tutorial we have seen how to download Unity and build a simple project from Unity. So today we are going to continue from the project. So here is the project which we done our last tutorial. So once you click play, it will move the cube slowly. So yeah, now we're gonna see how to apply the materials into this object, and then we are gonna look into how we're gonna build it as an Android APK. Okay, so yeah, first, in order to have the material for this game object, we need to create the material. So I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to name it as materials. And going inside, and then I'm right clicking and click create and select material. It will create a new material. I'm going to rename it as my ground plane mat. There you go, there's the material, and here is the material properties which you can see from the inspector. You can change the material color values, and even you can apply texture, and you can also change the metallic value of this material. So now we're gonna just simply change the color and see what happens. Okay, so now the color is white. Now I'm gonna change it to red. Now you can see the material color is changed to red. So here you go, and I'm gonna apply this material to the ground plane. There you go, just drag and drop to the ground object. So suddenly the material got changed. Now when you change the material properties here, it will get reflected in the game object as well. See, you can change the metallic values or changed in the game object. And also I'm going to create one more material for the cube. Simply I'm going to apply green, then I'm going to drag and drop this object. So now you can see the cube turn to red, and now I'm going to have a simple texture or any just a PNG file. So I'm going to download a PNG file. Nothing looks very good. Okay, let me go with this one. I'm gonna download it. And I'm gonna simply drag and drop the downloaded image into this folder, and then I'm gonna apply this texture into this material. So before applying the texture into material, you need to change the texture to 2D sprite, so that it will be compatible with the Unity engine. So now it's been converted as 2D sprite, and yeah, the width and height should be multiples of 4. So this one is not multiples of 4, so you may see some artifacts. So I'm not worried about that for the moment. So now I'm gonna apply the texture into this material. Okay, you just simply drag that texture over here and place it in albedo. So now you can see the texture is applied here. Of course it's not looking very good. Just for the sake of tutorial, I just did this. Bear with me. So if you're applying any texture, just keep the color to white so that you can see the actual texture color rather than the material color overriding the texture colors. So there you go. So in this way you can apply any type of texture into your game object, and you can have like any materials you can create right away in Unity and then use it. You can also feel free to play with other parameters, and you can, if you have the normal map, if you have the proper 3D assets, you will have the diffuse map, a normal map, specular map, and everything. You can map, you can drag, you can get all these textures imported into the Unity, and then you can just map everything in these parameters. So cool. So now we have done the material mapping, and let's just click one time to check how it looks. There you go, it's working. Now we are going to see how to export this game into an Android APK. Okay, so we are gonna go to the build settings, and we're gonna add this open scenes into the scenes and build, and then I'm going to convert this. Currently it is selected as PC, Mac, Linux standalone, but if you want to build to Android, then you need to choose Android and then click switch platform. Then it will re-import all the assets which to make it compatible with the Android platform. So now the assets are re-imported, so now it's ready to compile for the Android. So now I'm gonna build the APK, and in case if you got the device Android, in case if you have any Android device, you can just enable the USB debugging option in any of your Android mobile, and then you can connect the mobile with your PC. Excuse me. Once it got connected, you can refresh. You can click the refresh button. It will show your device in this list. Now I haven't connected any device, so it's not showing. So the third option would be your phone. So I'm gonna build this. Okay, before that we have to do some changes in the player settings. I'm going to change this as property, and I'm going to leave the product name as Unity Basics, so that this will come as your app name. Then whatever the name you have provided there will be used for the name will be used as a package name, and you can choose the whatever API you target. So that's it, pretty much. You can go for compiling the APK. So I'm going to compile the APK here. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to give a name as Unity Basic. So Unity is building the Android APK now. See, so you can see here the Unity automatically turned the game view into portrait mode. So it is the mobile view. So it's very obvious that it's showing you in the mobile portrait view. So there you go, the Unity has built the APK now. There are two ways you can install this APK. One is using the ADB. You can use the ADB from the Android SDK. So and another way is you can just upload this APK into Google Drive, in your Google Drive, and then you can download into your mobile, and then it'll ask you to install. So you can install it, and then you can see your APK up and running. And then the third way is that you can directly build and run the APK from Unity by just connecting your mobile into your PC before you build. There you go. That's it. You have a new Android game which is built and ready to go. Thank you so much.